Yo. How are we doing, everyone? I had to go grab my food real quick. All right, welcome to the PM stream. Pretty choppy market so far. Took our data lows. That was it. Good D hoodie. Good Khalid. 8. Compound life. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Chat, I burned my tongue with my coffee. GG's. My tongue hurts. Right back at open price. Yeah, I don't know where this really wants to go. ES is a lot weaker now, surprisingly, in terms of structural wise, intraday. After it was strong the entire time. We'll just mark out some buy side, sell side, and see what we can do. Blowing in La La Land here. I mean, we did take out data lows, which I can't complain about. We took out one part of major liquidities. Now it's just Viet coffee's good, yeah. How do you take your coffee? I start calling Death. I love my cappuccinos. Cappuccinos is always good. All right, let's see if this 5-minute IFEG does anything here. Been all right price action. In this type of environment, you just gotta protect yourself and you gotta protect yourself and basically just be super careful with your trims and break evens. This looks like it could go though for PM. ES, I think it looks a lot like more like, hey, we just swept liquidity and that's it, like for sell side. But bro, wait, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Oh, hell no. Absolutely not, bro. What? In the equal lows. Is that? That's weird. That's weird. That's crazy. Fucking hair comb. Yeah, Khalid, for sure. Always. Yeah, 6 is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do we should do an ASMR eating stream, a mukbang stream. Chat. I left my food out overnight. I cooked. It's chicken, rice, veggies. Really good though. Don't you left out rice? Fuck it, we ball. All right. On a real note, though, super duper duper chop chat. Something I talked about yesterday. I went live with the Discord, and I was like, look, a lot of people are gonna try to short the IFEG straight up. Right? We had a bullish gap, we had an IFEG, and now like we're back up to pretty much yesterday's range, and it's just understanding how low probability continuation truly is in this market, and not using the higher time frame like this, any PD arrays to actually form a bias. This is a no bias market, it really is. So ideally, if we would have took out London lows, I definitely would have took that to the upside. We did take out data lows, which is fine. But something to kind of wait for. Fuck is YM doing, bro? The YM looks like a mess. NQ 5 minute looks great. Normal in any normal price action, I would definitely long this, but with what we've been getting with the range moves, I don't know how comfortable I feel. Yeah, we'll remove the alpha. Let me text the team right now, actually. We need to fix update them. If it was in a container, does that help, Taylor? I'm being so dead ass. Yeah, you should definitely wait for the higher time frame. So the monthly gaps are nearby. All right, I'll only eat the chicken then. I won't eat the rice. I don't want to waste this food. Now you guys are scaring me, bro. Yeah, we're supposed to do a duo stream, but it takes like an hour ago because I brought it. I'm gonna trade PML. That's fine. Should I discard the whole dish then? You guys are scaring me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Man, fuck. All right, I'm not eating this then. Fuck that. Let me go put this away. God damn it. It tastes fine. It tastes fine. I mean, it's not. It ain't bad. I'm only gonna eat the chicken though. Blood on your rice. Thank you, bro. Let me go ask my brother again. That you guys actually got me tripping out, bro. God damn. After further review, fuck it, we ball. Fuck it, we ball. Usually, like, I just look at the higher time from gaps for bias. You pair it with liquidity sweeps like we have down here. You could get a really good bias. Here, like, it's very difficult. Yeah, we're in a weekly fair value gap, but we're chopping bad with the monthly gap under us. So I would expect the weekly gap not fail, but yeah, fail, but not in terms of like, oh my god, we're gonna get a full-on reversal. More so fail into the monthly gap. So seeing that, you pair that with the higher time frame gaps, that's how I get my bias on a day-to-day basis. But going into the market, I always look at the 4 hour and 1 hour and see what we're working with. Like, obviously this, we're not working with anything. But if there was like a gap created in London, we'll use that. Etc. This price action is ass, bro. Overall this week, I'll be more comfortable with taking longs because, or like looking, I'm not taking shit, bro. This chop his ass, but we have the new week opening gap still here. Not enough conviction for me to put on risk because of how ass the market has been, but something to keep note of. That was fine. The only reason I didn't want to long this because I wanted to see the sweep of these lows first. So once we swept it, then any longs is okay. But before then, you know, on the lower time frame today, we were looking for this low to get swept. And once it did, then, you know, you could take a long. But any long like here within the gap is low probability because we have data lows. It's all about liquidity. Yeah, I can't. Is the music loud on stream or no? I feel like I'm getting, my ears are getting destroyed right now. Quiet. Okay. Lana's whispering. Data lows is simply the high of the data candle and the low of the data candle. That's it. So it's 8:30, right? This is the data candle. The high would be this candle here, the wick high, and then the wick low would be right here. That's your data high and low. That's the only time I look at New York and look at the 8:30 price action. That's it. Only when we have that. a data candle is data. So like today we had CPI. Tomorrow we'll have PPI. That's news and data, basically. So any data release. Did you take the 15-minute or the 5-minute, excuse me, Surge? I think we'll at least push into these highs up here. Like, I think 65 will be in the like 80s, 90s up here. 1 minute. Okay, okay. This one right here. TBT, they're good. I made 70K in a week and then I blew the rest on live. And I haven't been really trading as much on the evals because price action's ass. Solid, that's solid. Dude, sir, the only thing that kind of tripped me out was these 1 minute lows. I would trade micros. 114. Okay, okay, I see. Milk money. I'll trade micros, bro. 2 to 3 micros for trade. Yeah, higher time frame is usually better, but with scalping, the lower the time frame you are, the better R you have with scalping. But this environment, people expected a range break today, but New York is stuck in a range, right? We have not broken out of New York range. It's just the volatility a little kicked up because of CPI. So the ranges are massive, but we haven't broke out of range. If that makes sense. Yo, Serge, trading 5 MES is so underrated, bro. Like, people would be so much better off trading ES. ES is goated, bro. It's low cortisol. You could, have your stops wide. It's nice. I got you, Kelly. Give me a second. Zone 5 or nothing. What's good? Okay, so let me add Cal's question real quick. If we are bullish and we have set the session lows, let's say this is session lows are right here. If the market goes into session lows, right, and you're bullish on the overall day, let's say we tap a higher time frame gap as well, like a hourly gap or a 4-hour gap. So you have your higher time frame PD array there, right? This is before market open. You can look for longs as soon as we get back above this range. So like What we'll do is we'll leave behind like probably a 5-minute fair value gap or like a order block or something. You can wait for a violation of that, and at 9:30 you can expect that move to happen and distribute back to the upside. That's usually when you get your V-shaped recoveries on the 9:30 open. That makes sense. Spain and France today at 12. That's gonna be good. Watch that. Talking about FTP here. What's FTP? Lando got busy. He didn't want to trade a PM either. I don't blame him. Bro, look at the hourly, dude. It's just wick after wick after. Look at all these massive wicks. Talk about high resistance, dude. Oh, function. Oh. Cardio threshold. All right, guys, drop a like on the stream. At 100 likes, we'll do SPF points. New Fed. I haven't listened to anything about the new Fed. I think France wins today, though. Just try to trade back growth or select 25 growth when they pass 5 days past. I like the growth accounts. I think they're good. Both are really good. Both are fine. It just depends what you prefer. Premium is closed anyways, so don't worry about it. But it's not open ever anyways ever. Yeah, I stream here every day. All my live trading is here. My money was on France. I've seen that. You said decent crash. I mean, I don't know about crash, but I would like to pull back a little bit. Guys, this is so slow. I'm just here to vibe with you guys. We are moving so slow. Give me a second, chat. No, I'm not gonna look at any leaps or positions yet until we hit the monthly gap. Then I'll start looking. But I know Microsoft has a yearly gap almost that got tapped, so something like that would be interesting. I'm not in anything right now. See. Give me 1 second, chat. All right. I watched the interview with WA. Appreciate you, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't finished any of my own podcasts. I already know what I'm gonna say. Guys, it's so slow. It's back and forth. Mean thresholds like the 50% of something. Usually if I have an unmitigated gap, I won't really target the 50% like with a lot of focus. It's more so just getting into that gap itself. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, I'm paying my fucking toll fees, bro. Paying my fucking toll fees. Dude, I've been having this fucking fee for like 3 months now, bro. That interest on it is crazy. Use code SMART, bro. My toll fees are due. It is a banger song. Let's see how much it comes out to. No violations found. Chat, I think my dad paid it. Bro, he's probably tired of getting the messages. He sent me the letters, and I just kept forgetting to pay it. So I think he just decided, fuck it, he's gonna pay it. Thank you, Dad. We're good. Why would I jab this price action, bro? It's just ass. God forbid I want to just talk with you guys and chill out. Give me a second, chat. Like, give me a sec. Give me a sec. My brother's heading back. Family house. Bro, low-key, I should go too. Not gonna lie. But I haven't seen my parents in 2 months. I'm gonna try to go this weekend though. I've been so fucking busy, bro. My setup's here, so I can't really do a lot of work there. Excellent chill time. Nice, bro. What was your question? Can you go over my question? Can you go over fair value gap on a higher time frame? If the fair value gap has been used once, can it? Yes, it could hold again. Look at this. I think it was a 12-month. Yep, this could hold. This is fine. This could hold again. I was looking for a sweep of the previous year low and go, but so far we haven't got it. If we get it, I'm gonna deploy capital to this. But yes. Is it good to trade inside? No. No, Atlanta got busy. He didn't want to trade PM. It's shitty price action. Shitty price action, chat. I'm telling you. I would rather have you guys just not trade anything for this entire. I mean, like some people do good, whatever. But like me, I know if I trade this, I'll probably end up being red. What counts to use on top one? I don't use top one right now, but actually they made a pretty good comeback. I'm not gonna lie. Top one made a pretty good comeback. They were able to pick it up. They learned early on, and then they're actually pretty solid now. Guys, I'm just here to chill out with you guys, give you guys some giveaways, and we'll be good. Like, I'm not gonna take any trades. We got 100 likes, we'll do SPF points. Top 3 prop firms, TPT, Lucid, Tradeify. No order, but those 3. Code Smart doesn't work on TPT, but you can use Code Destiny for it. I'll go back to my jazz music chat. All right, let's do an SPI point giveaway though. Bro, we had 608 entries for this Tradeify account, bro. That was gnarly. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I DM now the account and I was looking through our chat history. Bro, now has won like fucking 4 times like in the last like 6 months. What do you mean? What is my source of my jazz? What do you mean? I don't know. It's just kind of chill, you know? Something you can vibe out to. No reason. You're a cheater. That's what you are. It's been fucking, you've been winning so much. I was looking through our chats and I was like, oh my god. No wonder everyone says this shit's rigged. I would say it's rigged too. He is really slow. Who do you guys have today? France or Spain? What do you guys think? Spain's annoying to watch. I feel like, I mean, I don't know ball knowledge, right? In terms of like soccer, but like they didn't look as impressive as I thought they would look. What are FPF points? SPF points? They're points you get for using code SMART. If you use Smart Prop Firm and you use code SMART, you link that to any other prop firm in terms of emails, you get points for just simply buying the accounts, and you can redeem those accounts or redeem those points for additional evals. You're basically getting points to buy evals that you could redeem for other points. If you go to my AIM stream, if you go back, I explained the entire process. Really cool. All right, first winner of the first set of giveaways is Kira. Let's see when they joined the Discord. All right, 2024, they deserve that one. They deserve that one. All right, let's do one more. That one's a well-deserved. Please explain more. I got you. So this is Smart Prop Firm, right? I'll link it how in the chat. You make an account. You link the email that you use once you log in and stuff, it'll have like, oh, do you want to sync your prop firms? So you just log in with the same email that you have on like Lucid, Tradeify, and then every time you buy an account, let me make sure I don't leak anything. Every time you buy an account, you get smart prop firm points. And as you buy points, you could redeem them for evaluation accounts. So like, I think it's like half. So if you spend like, what's the spend? If you spend like $500, you get like 300 points or some shit. I don't know what it is. Right, but over time, the point is accumulating points over time because you're already gonna buy the prop firms anyways, and then you can redeem them for any one of these accounts and whatnot. All right, so dude, I appreciate you tuning in, man. Yeah, there you go. But guys, price has not moved since we've been on. This is why I'm kind of avoiding trading in this condition. All right, Vargas, I'll catch you, bro. Need to buy points in case you don't have enough. What do you mean? Like option buy it with cash? That's no point in that. That is like removes the entire purpose. Full port this long? At the end of it, chat, I hope me simply like not taking a trade helps you guys stay out the market and keeps you guys patient and disciplined. Where you get the bookshelf from? Oh, question. I don't know. I didn't get it. My lady did all that. Where was it from? Probably like Amazon or something. Let me see. It's a really nice bookshelf. Like even just to use, like if not for like a setup wise, it has a lot of space. IKEA. I traded PPI. Oh, guys, tomorrow's stream is gonna be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. All right, we're gonna wake up a little early. We'll gamble some eval or some shit. I don't know. What do you guys want to see? I could go buy some evals and send them. We could do an AM tomorrow. Gamble PPI evals. If you fund them, I'll do it. Yeah, I'd be like 8:15. 8:15. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If I wake up, if you don't see me on by 8:20, there's nodes. I'm still sleeping, bro. I will try. More details within probably like 2 weeks, Mad Max. 2 weeks. I woke up at 8 a.m. It was in the cold plant 15 minutes later with a cup of coffee. That's a vibe though, bro. Bro, I don't want to make excuses. I feel like I would wake up a lot. I mean, I wake up at 5 anyways, right? Like 5:30, probably like 5:30 is like I get going. Bro, PST is so early, bro. Like if I want to do that, I'd probably wake up like even earlier, like 4:45. It's not sustainable. Open water training. That sounds fun. Hey, that's the Papa traded full of gems. The one with Brian traded by 6-2. Amazing to see them do for each other. Hey, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yeah, this one, it was a good podcast. I liked it. It was good. It was a, I'm to be completely honest, I didn't know about Titans of Tomorrow until they reached out and I started doing more research. I'm like, oh, this is really cool. And they're like, hey, we're in LA, come shoot with us. And I was like, all right, bet. It was a good podcast though. It kind of did me wrong in a thumbnail though. I don't know about the thumbnail though, chat. The background was cool though. Like downtown LA. Chat, I got the #1 beard in the game. Come on now. Stop playing with me. Tell me that Shane had the #1 beard in the game. My hair is already growing back and I got my beard done literally like 10 hours before this. This is insane. Y'all see the watch though? I have to make sure y'all see the watch. I also bet to my son, so I have to cold plan for 7 days. That's cool. I like that. I have the foil shaver and like the other shaver. I don't use the razor though. I mean, I do with my barber, but I don't use it. My camera's so to the left side. Let me fix it. Whatever. I get top temperature. I mean, honestly, I guess the more time passes with all this, Top Step seems more ahead of the game than everyone else. Once again, it's not surprising they've been in the game for the longest. I don't have anything against it, bro. Like, trade them. You're gonna get paid out. You know what the rules are. It's pretty easy to understand. There's no patterns you gotta jump through. So I would say go, yeah, trade them. You want to go watch China podcast? Let's take a Top Step are not scammers, bro. People use the word scammers so loosely, bro. Like they're probably the furthest thing away from scamming. How do they scam people? Look at all the other thumbnails on the channel. Let me see. I thought Peter Tuckman. Look at that. I'm waiting for him to say it again so I could ban him. Ah, there it is. There it is. I was waiting for the fourth one so I could like kick him out. It's funny because I heard the broker is really cool. One V-Buck is worth more than an Argentinian peso, I think. Is that true, chat? That's what I saw right now on Twitter. Yeah, stay away from Alpha as well. Yeah, personalized license plate? No. I think they could have gone better. Like, I'm glad they refunded everyone who had the premium plan, but I'm not glad that they people who had pending payouts, they're not gonna pay those out. My Funny Futures, same thing. Like, you know what you're gonna get from those. You're gonna get paid out, but it's just like, I don't know. Like, I'd rather have trade Lucid, Top Step, TPT, and Tradify instead, right? Posture check. Chat, I'm about to go take a nap. It's super slow. Oh, I didn't even see a second giveaway winner. Dotting Dad. Joined earlier this year, but it's been here for like 5 months. For you guys who want SPF points, I'll send it to the team. It'll probably take a few days to get it to you guys. Chat, we literally got on right here. We got on right here at 1 o'clock, and we have moved a grand total of 32 points. Yeah, Alpha did rug the premium accounts. How's the pupper? He's great. He's good. He'd be chilling. He came on stream yesterday. Was it yesterday or this morning? It was yesterday. He was on yesterday. No, they only allow you to trade Top Step X. Top Step X is cool. It's whatever. Is he in obedience? Yeah, we have a trainer, but he's really good. Like, right now though, he's about to hit like his 5 months mark, where it's like to get a little like sassy, you know, like the attitude. But he's great. 2021. Do I? No, I'll do it. Just DM me your SPF email, and I'll send it to the team on Discord. Just DM me the email. Yeah, dogs are the best, man. Dogs are the best. All right, guys. Unfortunately, the price action's ass. The market's ass. The higher time frame's ass. I'm back and forth range. Since 2021, Richie. Green, red, red, green, red, green, 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 red, green. So it's back and forth. All right, we'll wrap up here. Not much to go. Did this. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I would like to come and talk with you guys, and I know it helps some of you guys stay more patient in your own trading as well. So that's always a plus. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 8:20 a.m. Eastern. All right, we're gonna go live before PPI. If I wake up, if I don't wake up, expect me at 9 then. But the plan is to go live for PPI. It'll be fun. All right, peace and love, chat. I'll catch you guys tomorrow during our stream. Stay consistent, stay disciplined. Do not do anything dumb in this price action. And I'll see you guys then. Peace and love. Peace and love.